Hi, I'm Nishok, working as an intern in a startup called Ongil. I'm a proud alumni of GUVI. Yes, I have completed my certification course in data science and got placed. I'm from a non-engineering background, and to find a job in this pandemic is a bit difficult. So that's when I came to know about the GUVI, and I contacted them and inquired about the course and outcomes. So right from the day zero, they helped me in this journey and keep mentoring and guiding me on how to proceed in all my days. So, talking about the course, this course is not just like a lecture approach. It's every theory classes are accompanied by hands-on experience and also the doubt solving sessions and the weekly assignments. Not only that, mock interviews and resume building tips are also given and connected. Uh, Thank you so much. I'm very grateful for joining this course. I want to take this opportunity to thank my mentors, my program coordinator, and the HR team, and also the backend team for providing me this opportunity and helping me in shaping my future. Thank you so much.